So welcome back. This is our last example of the last lecture of the quarter. And this is example 8 of lecture 10-2 on three-phase power calculations. A factory is supplied at 13.8 kilovolts from a three-phase 60 hertz supply. It draws a continuous load of 8 MVA with a power factor of 0.5 lag. Determine the capacitance microfarads per phase of a Y-connected bank that will improve the power factor to 0.95 lag, the annual saving in demand charge if the monthly demand charge is $10 per kVA, the payback time in months if the capacitors cost $100 per kVAR to purchase and install, and finally the net 5-year benefit in millions of dollars. So for the first step, we are going to find the complex power for the load. So we are going to have S load is equal to 8 meg, and the angle is the arc cosine of 0.5. So for the load, we have 4 plus J, 6.928 MVA. Next, we need to find the required complex power to supply this power. So that's going to be the real power over the power factor with an angle of the arc cosine of 0.95. And that is going to be 4 plus J, 1.315 MVA. So in order to find the required reactive power, we take the difference in the imaginary parts. So we're going to have 6.928 minus 1.315, which is 5.614 MVAR. So that means that the reactive power we need per phase would be 5.614 divided by 3, which is QC divided by 3, or 1.871 MVAR per phase. So note that we assume that V line is 13.8 kilovolts. So the voltage, the phase voltage would be V line over root 3, V line over root 3. So it's 13.8 kV over root 3, which equals 7.967 kilovolts. So for the Y-connected bank, we know that the reactance would be equal to 7.967 K squared. That's voltage squared over Q, which is 1.871 M. Okay, so this is VL squared over QC phi, which equals 33.93 ohms per phase. So then the capacitance CY would be 1 over omega X CY. So it's 1 over 2 pi 60 times 33.93. So the required capacitor would be 78.2 microfarads per phase. So for part B, the annual saving in demand charge, we need to find the apparent power required and the apparent power at the load. The apparent power at the load is 8 MVA, and the apparent power required is P over the power factor, or 4 divided by 0.95 which is 4.211 MVA. So delta S is equal to SL minus SR, or 3.79 MVA. So the money saved would be 3.79 times 10 to the third kVA times $10 per kVA times 12 months, which would be equal to 454.7K dollars per year. Part C asks for the capacitor costs. So we're going to have 5.614 times 10 to the third kVAR times $100 per kVAR means that the capacitor cost is $561.4K dollars. And the payback time can be found by taking that amount and dividing it by the savings. So 561.4K divided by 454.7K equals 1.23 years, or 14.8 months. And finally, the last question is, what's the 5-year benefit in millions of dollars? So you're going to take that annual savings, which is 454.7K dollars per year, and you're going to multiply that by 5 years and subtract off the cost of the capacitors, which is 561.4K, and the net 5-year benefit is $1.712 million. And this concludes our lecture on 3-phase power calculations. Make it a STEMrific day.